How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video, Wednesday afternoon. What time is it now? 5, going over 5 past 5. Listen, I had all plans to go do this video tonight. I took you over to where the Titanic was built. I'm just running way behind on time. I've got the beautiful Sheena coming tonight for dinner, so I have to cook some dinner for about 6 o'clock, 6:15. So listen, I'm not going to be able to do this video tonight, so you'll see this video on Friday night. And I just want to thank you all so much for your love and support on the channel. And yeah, what can I say? Time ran away from me. Been very busy this week, and sure, look, we'll touch base anyway on the next video. Thanks so much for all your love and all your support on the channel. Really appreciate it, guys. Send you love from Belfast, and have a great rest of the week.